Hey everyone, in challenging times, ensuring there's enough food on the table can become a major source of stress for many families. If you're struggling with food insecurity, please know that you are not alone, and there are vital resources designed to help. Welcome to Support Navigator. Today, we're going to demystify food pantries and food banks. We'll explore what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how to find and effectively use these local resources right in your community. Many people feel hesitant or unsure about seeking help, but these organizations exist specifically to provide nutritious food to those who need it, without judgment. Understanding the process can make all the difference. So, if you or someone you know could benefit from food assistance, stick around. This guide will help you navigate the system with confidence and dignity. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the difference between a food pantry and a food bank? While often used interchangeably, they play distinct but interconnected roles in the food assistance network. A food bank typically operates as a larger warehouse facility. It collects huge quantities of donated food from manufacturers, farmers, and grocery stores. They don't usually distribute directly to individuals. Instead, food banks act as central distributors, supplying smaller, local organizations like food pantries, soup kitchens, and shelters. They are the backbone of the entire system. A food pantry, on the other hand, is what most people interact with directly. These are smaller, local distribution centers, often run by churches, community centers, or nonprofits. They receive food from a larger food bank, or sometimes directly from local donations. Food pantries distribute groceries directly to individuals and families who qualify for assistance, usually enough for several meals. Think of them as the retail outlets for donated food, making it accessible at the community level. A common concern is, am I eligible for help? The good news is that most food pantries have relatively flexible eligibility criteria compared to federal programs. Generally, eligibility is based on income guidelines, often tied to a percentage of the federal poverty level or state-specific low-income thresholds. Many pantries serve anyone who self-declares a need, recognizing that financial situations can change rapidly. You might be asked for proof of address to ensure you live within their service area. Some may ask for identification for household members to accurately distribute food based on family size, but strict income verification is less common than with government benefits. A crucial point, you do not need to be receiving SNAP or any other government benefit to qualify for food pantry assistance. These are separate programs with their own, often less stringent, requirements. What about frequency? Most pantries allow you to visit once a month, but this can vary. Some might permit more frequent visits in emergencies. It's always best to ask your local pantry about their specific policies. Can you choose your food? Many modern pantries operate like a small grocery store, allowing clients to shop for the items they need, often called a client choice model. This reduces waste and provides dignity. So, how do you find a food pantry or food bank near you? There are several reliable ways to connect with these vital resources. Your best starting point is Feeding America. They are the largest hunger relief organization in the U.S. Their website has a comprehensive Find a Food Bank tool where you simply enter your zip code, and it will list local food banks and the pantries they serve. Another excellent resource is foodfinder.us. This is a free app and website that allows you to easily locate nearby food pantries, school meal sites, and other food assistance programs using your location. Don't forget to leverage your local community connections. Your local church, community center, library, or even school often have information about nearby food assistance programs. A simple phone call can yield valuable results. You can also dial 211. This is a free, confidential service that connects you to local resources, including food assistance, housing, and other social services. It's available 24/7 in most areas. Once you've located a pantry, what should you expect during your first visit? Arriving prepared can make the experience smoother and more comfortable. Always call ahead or check their website for their hours of operation and any specific requirements. Some may require an appointment, while others operate on a first-come, first-served basis. Also, ask what documents they typically ask for on a first visit. Bring your own reusable grocery bags if possible. Many pantries encourage this to reduce waste and make carrying your food easier. You might have a short wait, so be prepared for that. Be kind and respectful to the volunteers. They are dedicating their time to help the community, and a little gratitude goes a long way. They are there to support you. An important thought: the food distributed is meant to supplement your existing groceries, not replace your entire food supply. It's designed to alleviate immediate hunger and reduce your grocery expenses. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and utilizing food pantries and food banks. These organizations are vital lifelines for communities, providing essential nourishment without stigma. Don't let embarrassment or uncertainty prevent you from accessing the help you deserve. Reaching out is a sign of strength, and these resources are there for you. We've included all the relevant links, including Feeding America and foodfinder.us, in the description below to help you find your local resources. If this video empowered you, please hit that like button, share it widely, and subscribe to Support Navigator for more essential guides. Thank you for watching.